So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create our own agent. And so you can see I've already created some of the agents like content strategy, digital marketing manager, UX researcher, chief technology officer, founder. So I'm gonna quickly show you what I've added as a agent for founder. So you can just create a new founder and you can fill in this information in terms of like what the founder is, job title is, persona, SaaS, industry, audience, and the prompt. Again, you can optimize this prompt by clicking the magic wand icon and it will automatically pick that up. And you can also select the default brand voice for that particular agent. So that way it will always pick up that information. Now I'll save this and I'll quickly create a new one as well. So go to agents, click new, and you can choose to create custom if you don't want the AI. I'll just create a quick AI agent. What I'll do is I'll create somebody for like a business analyst, one of my earlier jobs, and I can say business analyst, drafting requirement, meeting detailed diagram. It gives some idea, right? And I can just click generate. There you go. So it's picked up the persona information, what skills it needs, all of that, right? And then maybe if I want a further tweak, I can just say make it specific to SaaS AI. Right, so I've just added a prompt. I click on this icon again and it will further optimize that. So it's come up with few options. Again, I'll keep what I like, right? So I'll keep as this one looks good, so I'll remove the other things that I don't need. And yeah, now I have that persona and I'll just name that persona as analyst and save this prompt. Now if I go back here, you can see the business analyst prompt and I can just say what are your expertise. There we go. So it's gone through that information and it knows what it is. Again, you can also give it name. So for example, if I have a digital marketing manager, right, and if I click new, I'll just reset the brand voice and say hi. There you go. It's in this scenario I had given it a name and everything, so it knows what its name is and everything. Same if I show my founder agent, you can see put in my name and everything, so it has all that information. So now yeah, you can create your own agent and then talk to that person, and you can also talk to multiple agents as well by selecting different ones. Hope you found it useful. The next thing I'm going to cover is all the different tools that we have within the AI chat.